Today's Kim's first Saturday in America and her first time at Kohl's. So let's go check it out. Sephora. Do you like Sephora? I think you'll like this place right here. Do you want to look?
No. Well, I have a lot of makeup right now.
We're gonna go return this little toy size rice cooker. I thought it'd be bigger, but not to be as big. The thing about Amazon, returns are easy. You just take it, drop them off at Kohl's. 20% off. I usually never use these, but today we're actually gonna use it because it's my dad's birthday. We're gonna find him something. What should we get? See something you like? A lot you like? Go ahead, look. Fruits? Fruit basket? Hey, look, it's a long... Is that a cat or a dog? That's a cat, huh? Actually, I don't know. It could be a dog. Are they door? Oh, draft dodgers. Yeah, under doors. Do you want a dog like this? Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I think the kitchen stuff's on the other side. Look at it, it's a U-sized bed. Right? Or is it too big for you still? We found something. These are kind of cool. So here's the shirt we found for my dad. Hopefully he likes it. So we got our one shirt. What do you think of America Kohl's?
I like it.
Like it? We'll come back and do more shopping? Shopping for the house? Alright. Stopped at the RC track. The hobby place in Victorville. Looking for a replacement piece for the Italian because the steering stopped working, but we're waiting in line at Spectrum to get Kim a SIM card for her phone because she doesn't have a working phone other than Wi-Fi right now. What did you get right here?
Huh? This one? Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream boba. Love your chocolate. We got Kim's phone activated at Spectrum. She has an American number now. And right now we're gonna go to my parents' house and eat some barbecue because they're barbecuing for my dad's birthday. Her first time at her in-laws' house. You excited? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're here. Yeah, mom loves her flowers. What? It's chillier up here. Maybe.
Hi! There she is!
How you doing?
Hey Martin, how are you?
Hey, brother. I'm Matthew. How you doing? Hi.
My wife.
I'm Matthew's uncle. How are you? You're pretty.
What'd you make?
Chicken, carne asada, asparagus,
What the heck?
squash. Right here, the hot. And then we have rice, beans, and potato salad.
Hmm.
And there's mayonnaise.
Oh.
Cold Kim? Yes.
I used to play that song. Now it comes on all the time now.
And you guys can sit here with the water. I remember when I
Hey, you guys are cold. Eat right there. Put chairs there. Around the table there if you're cold.
Yeah. Mmm. Daughter.
Oh. Matthew said he's gonna sing.
Go ahead.
Stop sucking your thumb.
Okay, ready? Kim said she was gonna start singing. Okay.
Vita, sing.
Lily, happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to
you.
Happy
birthday,
dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Clap your hands, honey.
He thinks it's his birthday?
Yeah. This is his birthday. Look at the singing I have.
Have you ever seen rain? It's a video, I'm singing. It's the rat.
Oh, it still has hair, but it's so tiny.
Okay, let's go show her the other rats. This is where my new gym used to be.
Oh,
This whole area. Let's see the rats, Eve.
They're in here. There's some over here.
Some are in here.
oh my god. Oh, this is their house?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're up there. That one's Gamora up there.
And then Clan on top. Hey!
There's more. Oh my gosh, they all keep jumping down.
It's so big.
This one is Scott from A Christmas Story.
I just close it because this is for the summer because it gets hot. So they have their own little, they leave this open so they get air and they can go outside.
Oh, it's a video too.
But right now we just keep closed because it's cold. And then they have a heater too. And they have a fan.
See, look how big it is in here.
Had somebody build it. I think it was like 5,000 or 6,000
Woo!
to build it.
Are they going in the patio?
And then they have their little, they can go outside there too. We'll turn on their heaters later.
Oh, they are married.
When they want fresh air, they could go over here. Crazy spoiled rats. How many is it, Eve? How many total? Like 30?
No, they're not 31. If anybody wants to buy some, reach out to Matthew and let me know.
If anybody wants to buy some, leave a comment or...
We're in Southern California. We travel. I've taken them to Washington, Arizona, Texas, I have cats in Ohio and Florida, so all over the states.
Alrighty. Let's give a tour to our party bar area. This place gets pretty wild in parties.
Wow, so many things.
Of course it is.
I remember the movie Coco.
Yeah, same ones.
This used to be your room?
When we first moved in here, yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. I won the Halloween costume contest.
Oh my
See?
god, so cute.
So look at the costume, my costume.
Yeah.
A real pumpkin.
Yeah. You're so Filipino.
Look at it, I do this with pastel of myself.
D.
What? I was 17. I was 17 right here. Told you I was skinny. Oh god.
I have to take a video. Why did you draw yourself?
For art class.
Oh, for art class.
You're doing good.
I didn't draw that. Oh, the one bottom one I drew, yeah.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, look. See how it's like a, looks like a face? It's in the shape of a face. You see the face?
Yeah.
What are these pictures?
Oh my god!
What?
Goku! Goku hair!
Look at when I took my daughter to the dance.
Do you look like a white kid here?
That's not a white kid. It's a Filipino kid.
These bangs.
You look like a bad boy here.
Where?
Here. That's you. So adorable.
What the heck is this?
Hi, my baby.
Hello.
Oh my god, it's still nasty. No, mama's not ready for you. Go to mama.
Ah, it's so cold.
We're going to church tomorrow. Put in the house. Put in the house for me.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We got Kim's phone turned on. And we ate some good barbecue at my parents' house. Take home some food. And my mom gave Kim so many kitchen appliances that we have to organize when we get home. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.